Welcome. Today let's talk about different study designs in clinical research. Let's start with observational studies, the observers of the research landscape. First, cross-sectional study. Imagine assessing the prevalence of a condition, like hypertension, in a community at a single point in time. This is a cross-sectional study, a snapshot of health at a specific moment. Second, case control study. Now, consider comparing individuals with a specific outcome, say lung cancer cases, to those without it controls to identify potential risk factors. Third, cohort study. Participants are classified based on exposure, such as smoking, and are followed over time to observe the development of outcomes. Fourth, longitudinal study. Participants are studied over an extended period to observe changes or events over time. Last, the retrospective studies look backward in time to study exposures, while prospective studies enroll participants and follow them forward in time, collecting data. Now, let's see interventional studies, the active players in clinical research. Randomized controlled trial. Participants are randomly assigned to either an experimental group receiving the intervention or a control group receiving a placebo or standard treatment. Second, non-randomized trials. These are interventional studies where participants are not randomly assigned to different groups. Third, factorial trial. Testing a new drug and a behavioral intervention together in one study. A factorial trial allows us to understand both individual and interactive effects, providing a holistic perspective. Fourth, cluster randomized design. In a cluster randomized trial, communities receive either a new health intervention or standard care, to study the impact of interventions on entire communities. And last, crossover design. Participants experiencing both experimental and control interventions in different sequences define a crossover trial, offering insights into treatment effectiveness within the same group. Thank you and follow us for more such content.